powerful, and cordless. This thing is awesome. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this cordless carpet cleaner. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Yes, it is cordless, which is so nice, but is it powerful enough to clean spots from the carpet? Yeah, we found that it was. Even being cordless, we found this to have really good suction as a spot carpet cleaner. You can use this on rugs, carpets, stairs, furniture. The nice thing is you don't have to constantly figure out where to plug it in. So with this, you're going to get a bottle of carpet cleaner, 2 little suction heads, the charging cable, and of course the unit itself. This thing is super easy to use. Basically, charge it, fill it with water, add your carpet cleaner, and you're ready to go. There's a little trigger on it that sprays water to the area you want to clean, and then the suction head has a bristle brush on it to clean the spots. As soon as you turn it on, it starts sucking in the water. So spray, scrub, suck up the water and the dirt. It's all going to go right into the bin. It works really great. I also want to note that this is pretty quiet for a spot carpet cleaner. This is going to run for around 25 to 30 minutes on a full charge. And considering it's meant to be used for spot cleaning, I found that to be more than enough time for cleaning up messes. We have 3 pets in our house and, well, accidents do happen. When your dirty water tank is full, the machine is going to automatically shut off. We had no issues with leaking. Make sure you tighten your caps on the clean and dirty water bins. Now, again, this is cordless, so don't expect to be cleaning with it all day. This is a spot clean situation type of machine. Maybe you spilled something in your car or your pet had an accident. This is perfect for those situations. Compared to my Bissell SpotBot, this thing was just as powerful. The only issue we did have was when we tried to put it on max mode, the battery died considerably faster, which makes sense, but in the low mode, it cleans really well, so max mode wasn't even necessary for us. If you're looking for a great cordless portable spot cleaner, we recommend this.